In the ever-evolving tapestry of entrepreneurship, where the threads of creativity and innovation weave together to create vibrant patterns, a myriad of unconventional business concepts continues to emerge. These ventures not only challenge conventional norms, but also captivate the imagination of daring entrepreneurs who dare to venture into uncharted territory. Welcome, entrepreneurs and visionaries, to a world where innovation knows no bounds. In today's video, we're unlocking the doors to 7 business concepts that have yet to echo through mainstream discussions. Get ready to embark on a journey that will challenge your perceptions and inspire your entrepreneurial spirit. This is Unlocking Innovation, 7 business concepts you've never heard of. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Goat rental. Goat rental. The seemingly unusual concept of goat rental has evolved into a sustainable solution for land maintenance. These goats, beyond being charming companions, play a crucial role as nature's own lawnmowers. Their practical purpose extends to efficiently clearing vegetation, mitigating fire hazards, and offering an eco-friendly, sustainable approach to landscaping challenges. The goat rental business serves as a testament to the power of innovative thinking, showcasing how we can harness nature to address environmental concerns and fulfill practical needs simultaneously. This harmonious blend of cuteness and practicality not only highlights the adaptability of traditional practices, but also underlines the potential of unconventional solutions in creating a more environmentally conscious and balanced world. As we navigate the challenges of land management, goat rental emerges as a distinctive and effective strategy, demonstrating that sometimes the most unconventional ideas can yield remarkable results in promoting sustainability and harmony with nature. Number 2. Cat Cafe. Cat cafes, originating in Asia, present a delightful fusion of coffee culture and feline companionship, catering to cat enthusiasts and those yearning for a tranquil escape from the daily grind. These establishments offer patrons the unique experience of enjoying a cup of coffee in the company of resident cats, cultivating a therapeutic and serene atmosphere. Beyond their cultural origins, cat cafes have transcended boundaries, becoming a global phenomenon that provides a charming and distinctive departure from conventional coffee shops. The universal appeal of combining creature comforts with culinary delights is evident in the popularity of cat cafes, which have tapped into the growing desire for unique and immersive experiences. Patrons not only relish the flavors of their favorite brews, but also find solace and joy in the presence of these furry companions. Cat cafes, therefore, represent more than just a quirky trend. They embody a cultural shift towards seeking novel, heartwarming experiences that blend the simple pleasures of coffee with the endearing charm of feline friends. Number 3. Morology. Within the diverse realm of eccentric businesses, morology emerges as a captivating fusion of divination and the ostensibly mundane act of toasting bread. Morologists assert that the manner in which toast browns can reveal profound insights into the future. While this notion may seem whimsical at first glance, it has cultivated a dedicated following of enthusiasts who derive joy and meaning from the apparently ordinary ritual of making toast. Morology elevates a simple breakfast routine to a distinctive and mystical experience, demonstrating how unconventional concepts have the power to infuse magic into the most mundane aspects of daily life. This unique venture goes beyond the conventional boundaries of divination, turning an everyday kitchen practice into a source of intrigue and contemplation. Morology not only challenges traditional perspectives on fortune-telling, but also highlights the human tendency to find significance and wonder in unexpected places. As morology gains traction, it symbolizes the capacity of unconventional ideas to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, offering a fresh perspective on the intersection of the mystical and the commonplace. Number 4. Home energy auditing. In the wake of increasing global awareness of environmental concerns, businesses specializing in energy efficiency have discovered a significant niche in the field of home energy auditing. This meticulous process entails professionals assessing a residence's energy consumption and offering practical recommendations to minimize wastage. The concept of home energy auditing harmonizes effortlessly with the worldwide push towards sustainability, presenting homeowners with tangible solutions to curtail their carbon footprint. The surge in popularity of home energy auditing not only caters to the growing demand for eco-friendly practices, but also signifies a broader societal shift towards conscientious living and responsible resource consumption. As individuals and communities strive to adopt more sustainable lifestyles, home energy auditing emerges as a pivotal tool in empowering homeowners to make informed decisions about their energy usage. It symbolizes a proactive step towards environmental responsibility, reinforcing the idea that even small-scale changes at the individual level can contribute significantly to the larger goal of mitigating climate change and fostering a more sustainable future. Number 5. Professional friend business. In an era marked by unprecedented connectivity, paradoxically, loneliness persists as a significant societal issue. Enter the professional friend business, a novel concept offering companionship services to individuals seeking connections in a rapidly changing world. From attending events to playing board games or engaging in heartfelt conversations, entrepreneurs in this field cater to the innate human need for social interaction, providing a unique and personalized approach to combating isolation. This concept delves into the complexities of human relationships, offering a myriad of experiences that go beyond the digital realm. Number 6. Boat cleaning. While boat cleaning may initially seem like a conventional service, a niche within this industry has gained attention: underwater cleaning of boat hulls. This specialized focus addresses the environmental impact of traditional boat cleaning methods, offering a solution that minimizes harm to aquatic ecosystems. This unique business concept combines innovation with environmental responsibility, showcasing how niche services can contribute to the preservation of our planet's delicate ecosystems. It emphasizes the importance of considering the environmental consequences of even routine activities, transforming the way we approach marine maintenance. Number 7. Anger room. For those seeking an unconventional form of stress relief, anger rooms provide a controlled environment where individuals can unleash pent-up frustration by systematically smashing objects. Equipped with protective gear, customers can vent their anger without causing harm to themselves or others. This concept offers a unique and cathartic experience, appealing to those looking for an alternative way to cope with stress. It not only taps into the growing demand for unconventional wellness experiences, but also provides a testament to the diverse range of solutions emerging within the wellness and mental health industry. In conclusion, the dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of the business world continues to surprise and inspire. Entrepreneurs, fueled by an unyielding spirit of innovation, are finding success in the most unexpected niches. These 7 business concepts, ranging from goat rental to anger rooms, serve as a testament to the boundless nature of creativity and entrepreneurial ingenuity. As the pursuit of novel ideas persists, we can anticipate an even more diverse array of unconventional and fascinating business ventures to emerge in the future, shaping the landscape of entrepreneurship in unprecedented ways. And there you have it, 7 business concepts that are reshaping industries and paving the way for a future of innovation. Whether it's quantum commerce, biomimicry business, or circular economy ventures, the possibilities are limitless. Which concept resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that unlocks the secrets of business innovation. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.